Hello viewers, I am Marco and welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will unbox and install mobile holder for Yamaha R15 version 3. So this mobile holder is from the company named Bobo and it supports Quick Charge 3.0. So now I will take you straight to the unboxing, and after that I will show you how to install this in Yamaha R15 version 3. This is the box. I purchased this from Amazon. So once you open the box you will see this kind of registration card from Bobo. What else we are getting this Allen wrench, and this is known as the holder or the clamp. This is mirror mount. For installing this mobile holder in R15 version 3 we need to use this mirror mount. And the last but not the least, this mobile holder. It's truly waterproof item. So you can see that this switch is also covered with some rubber coating, so water will not enter through this switch hole, and the USB port is also covered. You can see that, and it's USB 3.0 quick charge enabled. That is why the color is blue. And Bobo is providing fuse in the wire, and this will go to the right hand side, the positive terminal, and this one will go to the negative or earth-in. So now I will install this in my R15 version 3. So before installing these mobile holders wires, I need to take these wires through the root which is under this cover. So I need to remove this cover. To remove this cover I need to open this repeat. Here is number 1, number 2, number 3, here is number 4, and I need to remove this bolt also. So now I will open this flap. All the repeats are removed, you can see, and here the Allen bolt is also removed. Now I will remove this flap. Now I will remove this right hand side panel to take the wire behind this panel to the battery compartment. You can see the Allen bolt is removed, and here was one bolt that is also removed. Now I will just pull outside. This is the last cover before I reach the battery. I will simply uncover it, and here you can see the battery terminals are open and ready to access. So now I will take connection from these two terminals for my Bobo mobile holder. In order to bring the wire of the mobile holder from this part to this part, I need to make gap between this chassis and this panel. For that reason I need to remove this right hand side panel, and I will open this bolt and this bolt initially, and then I will see if the wire can be passed on through this hole. This part is removed right now, and there is enough passage to pass on this wire. I will do that. So I will take the wires under this panel, and here you can follow me through which route I am taking this wire. Here is the wire. You can see it has come completely behind this tank and this panel as well. I will show you a close look. This is the main wire that comes out of this charger, and it is going just under this panel, and from here I have put it just under this fuel tank, and it goes straight like this, and then it comes out from here, and here are the two terminals. I will be installing the right one on the positive side and the left one to the negative side. So I will start connecting from this positive wire first. You can see that the positive terminal is inserted just below this screw. Now I will tighten it. Now I will do the same thing with this left hand side negative terminal also. They are both firmly tightened and there is no chance of them being detached or snapped off from these battery leads. This is how the connection will be done in your Yamaha R15 version 3 to this battery. You can see that the mobile holder is connected with the battery line properly. Now we will install this holder over here. For that we need this mirror mount, along with that this metal buckle, one USB cable. Now I will take this mirror mount and we'll install it here like this, and I will tighten this nut from behind. And now I will take help of this wrench and this spanner. You can see it is tightened properly with the upper T bracket. Now we will use this metal bucket. Now we will place these plastic spacers here one by one like this, and then this metal buckle will be placed like this, and then we will insert this Allen bolt from here. And then we will tighten it with this spanner. It is tightened properly. You can see that it's not moving. So you can see this rear view mirror mount is installed here. The metal buckle is installed here. Now finally I will put this holder cum charger on top of this ball. So I will remove this spacer and then I will insert it over here, and just I will give a gentle push like this. That's it, and then I will tighten this. So this is how the mobile charger cum holder will be installed in this bike. You can see it's installed. It's looking fantastic. Now I will show you how it charges the mobile phone. For that we need to remove this USB cap, and then we will insert this USB cable, and I will put the USB type C port in my mobile, and I will turn on this switch which is at the back. You can see the mobile starts charging immediately, and it's not only charging but it's quick charging. It means this supports quick charge 3.0. You have just seen how to install mobile holder cum charger in Yamaha R15 version 3. If you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have anything to know from me, then feel free to put your comment in the comment box below. And if you want to be notified regarding my latest uploads in future, then tap on the notification icon and select all option to be notified. Thank you for watching till the end.